Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Ash, and today I will be going over the Empress Frosting White Nails. I'm going to show you how to get your nails from this to this within a matter of minutes. So just make sure your hands are extra dry. Do not moisturize, put lotion, any kind of creams on your fingers because that will affect the nails from sticking on your nails. So make sure they're super dry. Just dump out the nails in the nail kit, spread them out, and at this point you want to start matching the nails, each one, to make sure it's a solid fit for each one of your fingers. The more you do this, the more you will realize it's very, you will get a little bit quicker in doing this process. But I definitely became a huge fan of these nails because it helps me save time as a wife and mother. Well, even if I'm not a wife or a mother, just in general, everyone's schedule is super busy. So a lot of people do not have, time to actually sit in a nail salon for a couple of hours. It becomes almost like a chore. But I do notice in doing this, you save money as well. So not just time, but money as well. And I can change up my nails as quick as I want to. So if I have to, go to an outing and I have a certain dress, or say it was a wedding and I want it to match my dress, I can easily go online or go on my, stacks of nails that I have put to the side to see if anything match, or just run to the store and pick up some press-on nails. But I prefer this method. Yes, every once in a blue moon, I may go just to get my nails done, but I prefer to do it this way. So what I'm doing right now is adding the nail glue. As I stated before in my last video, the nail glue does not come with the kit. This is something you can purchase on your own for $1 and some change. But I use the nail glue because it gives a solid fit and snug, because the nail already has a stickiness underneath the nail. So when you apply it with the glue, it really gives a very strong grip on the nail, where it really lasts for about 2 to 3 weeks. So just make sure you pick up, the nail glue when you purchase the nails, so that way, these actually last a while and you don't have to worry about them coming off. But I always just carry the nail glue with me. Just throw it in your purse, backpack, whatever you carry. You may not ever need it, but it's just good to carry it just in case. I'm very surprised when I'm out and about and someone say, "Oh, anyone have any nail glue?" Oh yeah, I have some. So I just like to carry it just in case, because you never know when you need it. But definitely with these nails, if they start to get a little loose, it's good to just, glue around it, and that way the nail doesn't come off. So but they have different kind of holiday nails. I'm gonna see if I can insert some pictures in. But the holiday nails, Christmas, they have like the Thanksgiving colors, the burnt orange, the brown, like a mustard yellow. So you can really be very versatile, for the holiday seasons as well. So that's another reason, why I became a fan of these nails. And I always get so many compliments on my nails, even though I'm not getting them done professionally, but they can look just as good. So I'm almost done at this point. I only have about 2 to 3 fingers left, while I'm adding them in. But like I said, ladies, save yourself some time, money, and those coins could be going somewhere else. You'd be surprised how much money people actually spend at the nail salon. And like I said, you can actually use that for, investing other places. With these, they're about $5.83, or could be a little bit cheaper depending if you're looking online or what store you're purchasing them. But you can save yourself some money and some time. So I'm pretty much done. So at this point, once I'm done, I always try to moisturize my hands so my fingers can really pop. But this is the end result of my nails, where they look fully manicured and neat. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to insert, me actually putting on some clothes and how they actually look nice with them. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Stay blessed.